My name is Adam Castro. I'm a tree climber out here in Appleton, Wisconsin. I am bringing to you a TreeStuff product review on the Arborist Saddle Replacement Rope Bridges. Comes in a pack of 2. These rope bridges worked for me fairly well. The only way that they really apply is if you tie a double overhand stopper knot or some kind of stopper knot on the end. But overall, they're pretty lightweight. They're pretty strong. They held up very well. I think I did nick one of these with my hand saw a time or two, and it was very, very good, resistant, you know. And don't really use them anymore because I got another rope bridge. But they held up very well. No complaints. Great replacement rope bridges.